Hey everyone, welcome to this quick and easy tutorial on how to add your EBT card to the Sam's Club app in 2025. If you're a Sam's Club member looking to use your electronic benefits transfer for seamless online or in-store shopping, you're in the right place. This process is designed to be straightforward, helping you save time and manage your benefits more efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, ensure you have the latest version of the Sam's Club app installed on your smartphone. Head to your device's App Store, search for Sam's Club, and download or update it if needed. Once that's done, open the app and log in to your account using your email and password. If you don't have an account yet, tap the Sign Up option and create one. It only takes a minute. Next, navigate to the Account or Profile section, usually found in the bottom menu. Look for Payment Methods or Wallet. This is where you'll add your EBT card. Tap on Add Payment Method and select EBT or Government Benefits from the list of options. In 2025, Sam's Club has upgraded their app with better integration, making this step even more secure and user-friendly. Now, enter your EBT card details carefully. You'll need to input your card number, expiration date, and possibly a security code or PIN. Double-check everything for accuracy to prevent any errors. The app might prompt you to verify your identity, like through a text message code or a quick authentication step, so keep an eye on your phone. Once verified, hit Save or Add Card, and you're all set. You can now use your EBT card for eligible purchases directly in the app. Remember, not all items qualify, so check Sam's Club's policy on EBT usage. If you encounter any issues, like an error message, try updating your app again or contacting Sam's Club customer support through the help section. That's it for today. Adding your EBT card is a game changer for convenient shopping. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.